Welcome, guys. So, you have heard about the cryptocurrency and all the things that's been going out right now in the market and all. So, I hope you have got plenty of idea about, the Washington DC landmarks and Bitcoin and Ethereum that's been, rumoring around what's been going actually. So, let's clear it up actually, what's been going. So, welcome. The world of cryptocurrency is, whirlwind. You know, it's kind of a kind of an octane kind of thing, right? So from soaring valuations to regulation shifts, it's landscape that's constantly, changing. Today we are diving into the heart of it all, the evolving relationship between the US regulators, traditional banks, and the burgeoning digital assets, space, right? So for years, the crypto industry has operated in a gray area. I hope you know what gray area is. Now, navigating a patchwork of state and federal regulations, but that's starting to change. We have seen a growing urgency within the US government to establish a clear regulatory framework, right? So Congress is actively debating various bills aimed at providing clarity on digital assets classification, stablecoin regulations, and consumer protection. The key player are the House of Financial Service Committee and the Senate Banking Committee. Right. So these committees are holding, hearing from industry leaders, regulators, and experts trying to find a balance between fostering innovations and migrating risk. Right. So one of the most significant areas of focus is stable coins. These digital assets, pegged to traditional currencies like the US dollar, have the potential to revolutionize payments, right? Revolutionize the payment method that we are using. However, the rapid growth has raised concern about systematic risk and consumer protection. Proposals are being considered that would require stablecoin issues, I mean the users to hold reserves and comply with strict oversight, right? I have been hearing a lot of this. So government will impose some kind of taxation, some kind of laws and orders, so put you in frame. Yeah, you will be put under pressure, so that's the basic thing. So while regulators grappling with these issues, traditional bankers are increasing exploring the potential of digital assets. Earlier it was with the NFTs and all. Now this thing NFT was not in the radar of government though. The OCC, the Office of Computer Controller of the Currency, has provided guidance that allows banks to engage in certain crypto related activities such as custody service and stable assurance, right? So this kind of things we are dealing with. We are seeing banks like JP Morgan, Chase, any BNY Mellon offering crypto custody service to institutional clients. Banks of America has also shown interest in stablecoin technology. So that's really a good thing or bad thing, I don't know, but we are seeing a lot of significant changes, right? This is significant shit as it brings the infrastructure and experience of traditional finance into the crypto space. So we don't have that much kind of you know thing over in our hand. The convergence of traditional finance and crypto is also evident in growing interest in tokenization. So I know like a lot of you guys own Bitcoin or cryptocurrency or might have meme coins, so better buckle up, right? So this process involves, representing real world assets such as real estate or commodities as digital token on a blockchain. So that was kind of like my plan earlier when I was in college, but now that's I cannot afford it actually. This could unlock new levels of liquidity and efficiency in various markets. So once I'm done with the script, I will share with you how my plan was and how I intend to use it, but never could because of the fund. However, challenges remain. The volatility of cryptocurrency prices, security concerns, and lack of comprehensive regulatory framework continues to be hurdle. But the momentum is undeniable, right? So institutional investment in crypto is on the rise. So institutional investment are seeing on a verdict of rise. Pension funds, hedge funds, and venture capital firms are increasing allocations capital to digital assets. So I hope they're being managed by Gen Z or people who know So they see the potential from long-term growth and diversification. This industry is also evolving with growing focus on building sustainability and complaint project. There is an increasing, emphasis on security audits, KYC, AML compliance, and transparency. So, does the future hold? I mean, what does the future actually hold for us? So, the crypto landscape is still being shaped, but one thing is clear: the integration of digital assets into the mainstream financial system is accelerating, right? So, while volatility and regulatory uncertainty will persist, the long-term potential of blockchain technology and crypto currencies remain significant, right? So here, cryptocurrency is Bitcoin would be the protagonist, if I'm not wrong. So as regulators and industry leaders work together to create a clear and balanced framework, we can expect to see future, further innovation and adaptation. The next wave of crypto is coming, and it has the potential to transform the way we interact with finance, right? So I hope I have made myself clear and put a great point over here. Okay, so I was about to tell you about my plan. My plan with crypto was to, enter in the fintech community and all. So my plan was to develop something in finance, right? So fintech and all, so with the help of coin. So it will be backed up by the coins, allocations and all will be like, see, if I build a coin, if I am to bring a coin in the market, so I need to have its solid foundation, right? So that was my plan. It will be backed up by fintech and a lot of stuffs, but at that point of time I didn't have that much kind of resources. So I hope in future I will be, building that kind of things, if I'm not wrong. If I have that much kind of potential and resources in my hand, sure, I will do it. So like the token and all, it will be, so you need at least few crores or few $1 million to create that much kind of a token that I was, thinking to create. Uh, so that much kind of token means that if I am to hold 50% of it and 50% will be liquidified, so a lot of people can buy it. So that was my plan. So and after that, that money I was supposed to be using it over there, and that will be backed up by this coin. And we will also be, integrating multiple variations of coins and trading and all those kind of things. That was kind of my plan in entering in fintech and all. But later on, so I hope I have made myself clear, although if this plan was unclear. So because I have the detailed plan, if you want it, I can share it with you if you want to. So yeah, so I hope you guys are doing well, and thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like this video if you really enjoyed it. And yeah, this video I intend to, create raw videos for you guys, so without any kind of filter or anything, any changes and all. So I directly write my own script and integrate the kind of information that's needed and update it, cross verified, and then I just post it randomly. This will increase my skills as well, and my knowledge as well. Although at the same time, I am sharing the knowledge with you guys, not to mention. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Sayonara. Peace out.